Hey guys, so check this out. I made this little folio, which I got from free printables from Vectoria Designs, and I will link in the description below the link to her videos so that you can get these free printables if you want. And I will also show a flip through of the folio in a video that I will also put in the description below. But what I wanted to focus on today was something I discovered. I made this specifically for a friend of mine who's going through a real severe crisis in her life right now, and just basically having a hard time and having to kind of start over in life, and it's really rough. So I was gonna put a note in it, you know, a little letter. So I found a piece of paper to kind of match, you know, the woodland theme, and I noticed, well, the inside sure does look awfully blank, right? So I thought, well, I'll just add a few stickers. So I put these little rub-on stickers in the corner, as you can see, and I thought it still looks pretty plain. So I thought, well, I'll just put some washi tape around the edges. Washi tape around the edges it is. So what we have here doesn't look like much, but then I thought about it later and it dawned on me, there's possibly more than meets the eye to this simple little childish design. For one thing, what's so appealing about the washi tape borders? Well, the washi tape borders represent a frame, definition, boundaries, and not just boundaries, but beautiful, decorative, healthy boundaries. Well, there's more. I noticed that I couldn't put the washi tape all the way around the edge because I had already stuck the stickers down. Then I thought, wait a second. This is actually very significant and profound, because what do we have here? We have gaps in the boundaries, gaps in the borders, and in these gaps are symbols that represent very important things in life. So for somebody who has been dealing with a hard time, they may need something like energy or quickness. They definitely need growth. They definitely need freedom. And they definitely need freedom and song, which this little cutie represents here. So what do you think? There's freedom in song, freedom in flight, freedom in growth, freedom in quickness and energy. Then on the front, we've got more washi tape around the edges. And we have another bird, sing song and fly. And then we got a squirrel. Squirrels are great for representing playfulness, aren't they? So what do you think? Is this just all completely nonsensical, or is there possibly a hidden brilliance to this simple little decoration? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please be nice about it. If you think it's stupid, just don't tell me. If you think it's interesting, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.